Machine code is the name given to the instructions executed by the CPU, Central Processing Unit. They are just numbers. They are just numbers which are interpreted by the computer. This is comprised of ones and zeros. This is also known as binary. This will tell the computer to do an action. These actions were very specific, like storing, loading, and jumping. However, you can clearly tell remembering these numbers for a human is extremely impractical. That's why assembly languages were made. These are very simple, short pieces of code, more similar to the code you and I are familiar with, but not quite the same. Assembly languages, however, doesn't automatically allow for the CPU to understand words, but the CPU is only able to decipher these numbers. This is a process which takes the assembly code and transforms it into a machine code, which the CPU can decipher. In this stage, although software can be made from this form of language, it is an extremely complex and convoluted method.
Third-generation code makes all this far simpler. It is the code we know and love or hate by making these 8 lines of code into 3 easy lines to understand. As mentioned before, assembly language can be used to code software. However, higher level languages like JavaScript or C# are preferred due to their simple nature to interpret higher languages. It is then compiled into assembly language, interpret into machine languages. Declarative is an extensive and diverse set of domains such as database declarative programming. Declarative programming consists of demanding or constructing programs on what is required. Declarative is higher level programming concept that is the complete opposite of imperative programming, meaning it has less control for embedded systems. It is normally found in the databases and configuration management software for which is paired within a domain-specific language or DSL. Some examples are relational databases, where a programmer writes statements in a DSL called structured query language to control the database. Configurative management tools such as Chef or Puppet also use the declarative programming approach.